the beginning, you spoke, and it was
stars in the heavens,
dust shaped into us. You are my shepherd,
I shall not fear.
green fields around me, your love drawing near.
Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands, serve the Lord with gladness, come before with singing in our hands. Know the Lord, He is God, we are His own, we are His people, we are His flock. Enter in His gates with thanksgiving. His mercy stands, His truth is our rock. Though I walk valleys,
Shadowed and long, you set a table, you give me a song.
blessed are the broken,
Poor in their need, yours is the kingdom,
yours is the seed. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name.
your kingdom come, your will proclaim. Give us this day grace like our bread, lead us from evil by your hand.